Here's a step-by-step script for making the 3-ingredient Nutella Mug Cake in 30 seconds. 3. Ingredient Nutella Mug Cake. 30 seconds. The ingredients Nutella, an egg, and flour. Craving something sweet? Let's make a Nutella mug cake in just 30 seconds. Mixing ingredients visual. Show Nutella being added to a mug. About 2 tablespoons. Then crack an egg and add it. Add 2 tablespoons of flour. Text on screen or voiceover. Step 1. Add 2 tablespoons of Nutella. Step 2. Crack in 1 egg. Step 3. Add 2 tablespoons of flour. Mixing the batter visual. Stir everything together until smooth. Mix until smooth and creamy. Put the mug into the microwave and cook for 1 minute. Text on screen or voiceover. Pop it in the microwave for 1 minute. The cake puffing up and being taken out of the microwave. Text on screen or voiceover. Look at that puff. Let it cool for a minute. Spoon or fork digging into the soft cake. Yum! You just made a Nutella mug cake in under 3 minutes, with a cup of coffee or ice cream. Sweet, easy, and totally irresistible. Try it today.